Cause she thick. Oh, my hair's getting so thick. Okay, I see you, hair. Do your thing. Okay, so we are getting ready for ugly sweater day for my son, and I was trying to find an ugly sweater, and they are so expensive. Like, who wants to pay $40 for an ugly sweater? So I thought, what would the DIY queen do? Oh wait, that's me. Obviously, I would make it myself. Well, duh. So I am going to head to Walmart to see if I can find like a very cheap sweater, and then I will DIY it up. See you guys there. And I added some eyes, earrings, and a Santa hat. It says Roar, so it's really cute. I should have filmed the whole thing, but I'm in a rush. But look, that's what it is. That's what it looks like. Ugly sweater day. Woo! Whoa! A roaring Christmas dinosaur. Roar! You look so cute.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Hey boos! Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey! Let's keep the family growing. Okay, so today was ugly sweater day, as you've seen at the beginning of this video. But tomorrow is pajama day, and they're having a movie night. So the teacher suggested we bring some snacks that the kids would like. And I thought, since we're doing that, let me go ahead and make some special gifts. Leo's gonna help me make some cards. I bought some flowers, some chocolate, some gift cards, and things like that. So we're going to like do a little DIY thing that we're gonna pass out to his teacher, his assistant, and also to the ladies that help the pickup line. So we're going to do some crafts for the teachers, and then we're gonna put some things together for everyone else. I'm so excited. He's so excited because he gets to paint. So let's go. You gonna help me, Bubs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. Tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let
Oh my favorite cuddle.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do
we are all done. Please subscribe.
I'm gonna mix it so make blue.
You're mixing it up so you can make blue?
Yeah,
What color is that you're making?
blue.
That's blue?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know. I don't see.
blue and mix indigo.
Blue and red does make indigo. Or
Yeah.
purple.
No, that indigo is purple.
I think, oh, I can see a little bit of purple in there.
Yeah, I said green and orange and make.
So we're all done making our crafts for Liam's teachers. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. If I remember to, I'll insert his clip of him in his PJs at the end of the video.
PJs.
But yeah, PJs tomorrow.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your craft game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. I just dropped off Liam, and it was the cutest thing. He got so shy when it came time to give his gifts and crafts away. So I got a little clip of him giving it to the first line lady, and it was just the cutest thing. I'm just gonna insert it right here. Good morning. Say Merry Christmas. Give it to her. Liam, give it to her. Say Merry Christmas.
What's for?
That's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye, boo.
Did you write that?
Yeah.
Well, look at you. Ain't you something?